Good morning, everyone. This is Chef Tushar Malkani. I'm the executive chef of the Yellow House IHCL Selection Anjuna, and we are coming up with a very healthy recipe which is very rich in protein, and it contains your Greek yogurt that we made using our starter Greek yogurt base, and we are coming up with some beautiful granulona that we've done in house with some fresh berries, some fresh fruit, some dried berries together. And here are the ingredients that you can see that we'll be incorporating into our beautiful smoothie bowl. So let's start the assembly of our granulona bowl. For this, I'll tell you, we've made 4 flavored yogurts using our starter yogurt that we've done, and it's a German starter that we've used. So we've got the wild berry, we have the sugar-free base yogurt, we have the strawberry based yogurt, and we have the mango flavor yogurt since it's the mango season as well, and we have a yogurt in which we have added your AAA milk, that is basically your low fat milk, using chia seeds into it. And we'll be first starting our layering with the fruits and then start layering our yogurts, flavored yogurts accordingly. So to start with, we've cut our dragon fruit in this way and we'll just start layering it into our assembly board. And now what we'll do is we will start putting our yogurt layer by layer. So we are using our chia yogurt first. And with this chia yogurt, we made 4 varieties of granulona bars in house. So one is flavored with your dark chocolate. As you can see, it's flavored with your dark chocolate, your mixed nuts, and your seed mix. Now, the seed mix that we've used is made out of flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. So we'll just crumble it, just randomly crumble it and layer it inside to give it the crunchy layer inside. And also we have some roasted sunflower seeds that we will be putting along with some flax seeds as well, that we've already roasted it a bit to give it that smoky flavor. So these are your sunflower seeds. Now we will build it up with some Australian plum that we've cut. Now once the layer is done, we will be adding our strawberry flavored yogurt as a base layer. You can see how creamy the yogurt is in this, because the starters that we use, it's basically how you make curd in your house. The same way, it's something which comes in a powdered form, which we make it like in the curd format. So that is why we call it the starter. And now once this layer is done, we now add our dried berries layer to it. So these are mixed berries, that is your wild berry, your cranberry, your raspberry, that we are using it together. Just spread it evenly so that it creates that layer to it. And now we will be adding our granulona that contains your chia, your dark chocolate and your milk chocolate chips into it. Just crumb it randomly. You can see how the layers have come out beautifully into this. Now we will add our layer of kiwi. And we'll add our mango flavored yogurt to it. So this is done. Now we will add our nutty granulona, that's again with dried cranberries, almonds and only flax seeds. In this layer we won't be adding any fruits to it, just keep it more nutty so that it balances evenly with the other layers into this. And now we layer it with a wild raspberry yogurt that we made. Some roasted pumpkin seeds. And finally, we layer it with a plain yogurt so that it gives you a neutral balance with the fruit layers. And now we will add our fresh blueberries that we've cut here to give the final layering on the top. You can see the final layering done, and now we will add our final granulona that we've done. So this is also with nuts, but it's known as the 2x protein bar that we do in house. So it is got a mix of your chia, it's got a mix of your dried berries, it's got a mix of your nuts together, and that's how we've curated this bar. And so we'll just add it as a final touch so that it can be relished in the way. And here your layered chia jar is ready.